Hey guys, Steve here from My Crypto World, and normally I don't do a post in the middle of the week. Most times I'm doing posts either once every week or once every fortnight, but something has happened today in the marketplace I think I need to make you aware of for those people who are a bit nervous about where the market's been heading, where it's going. Now this is just a precaution to let you know that it is possible that the market may take a dive over the next couple of weeks, what I would call a significant dive. So if you're somebody who is a little bit worried or concerned about where the market's going, or you're somebody who is quite emotional and can't handle the pain of when the market drops, it may be in your best interest to consider selling out of where your positions are at the moment, letting the market drop if it does drop, and buying back in at a lower price. If the market doesn't do that and it continues to rise, you can simply buy back in again. You will lose a bit of money just because of brokerage, so the cost of selling and buying your positions in and out. But I think it's you need to understand what's happening here. So if we have a look at the screen in front of us, this is the our chart on the total market cap. That we go through once a week, once every fortnight. At the moment, we have got what's known as an impending double top. So a double top signifies that there is an emotional resistance to a particular price target. In this case, it's the all-time high of what it was back at 2.577 trillion. Now recently we broke above that, and my last video explained that to you. We didn't close above it though, but what happens is after we've met that high again and we've had what's known as a low day, which is this green bar here, that indicates a double top. Now in the stock market, when you're looking at, so I understand we're talking about cryptos here, but in the share market, when a double top appears, it has a high probability of falling either to 100 to 150% of its previous, of that current range, which means the market may pull back and drop all the way back down to where we are here, which is at, trying to get it on my screen here, sorry. Let's have a look here. It is at, I'm going to fluff this up. So hang on, give me a sec, guys. That's better. Sorry, as I said, I was this was an unplanned event, so I didn't have my computer and everything else set up as it normally is. So that means that this current market could fall back to 1.13 trillion. Now, I don't know whether that's going to happen or not. I'm staying in the market. I'm in for the long haul. I've said that in multiple videos prior to this. I'm in a, I'm looking at a 3 to 5 year plan for the way my investment portfolio works. So if it does drop, it doesn't necessarily bother me as much. It does hurt. I wish it wouldn't drop, but at the end of the day, I don't sort of panic sell. But everyone is very different, and it doesn't matter what your reason for it is. If you're not, if you don't want to emotionally see this happen to the market, then please consider getting out for now. Again, if I'm wrong, I hope the market actually breaks through this, closes above it, and then we know we're on an all new time high and the market will continue to go up. If that happens, you can simply buy back in. You will lose a bit of money on your brokerage, but I was hoping that I wouldn't have to have this conversation with my traders group, because I really like it when everyone's winning. Everyone likes it when everyone's winning, but it is something we need to be aware of. There is risk when trading the market, and a double top is certainly one of those. So a double top is where the same price is hit twice, and that's what we've got at the moment. We'll see over the next couple of weeks what happens. My gut feel is that it'll move sideways for a little bit before making an ultimate decision. Whether that's up or down, I actually don't know, and nobody knows until hindsight. If you look at the Twitterverse, a lot of people are saying the market's going to be very bullish for all of the rest of the year and into 2022. I hope that's the case, but I have to read the charts as they appear before me, and at the moment I am on the sidelines. It could go either way. I don't know what the stats are for double tops. I think it's something like 60% chance of dropping and a 40% chance of going through the double top and making all new time highs. So again, just a message to you, read into this what you will, play the game that fits best with you. You don't have to stay in it at all times. You can always get out and get back in later. I hope that news for you is insightful. Probably not what you wanted to hear though, but it's important that we know both sides of the coin. When the market's making money, we're all hip hip hooray, and when it's not, we really for some people need to take action. Wish you all the best until next video. Till then, take care.